Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to change area units in the Google Earth app on your phone. If you often measure land or spaces using Google Earth, knowing how to adjust the units can make your work much easier. Let's begin the steps. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. Once you are in the Settings section, scroll down until you find Formats and Units. Here, you will see an option for area units. Tap on it, and a menu will appear showing different unit options such as square meters, square kilometers, hectares, and more. Next, choose the unit that you prefer for measuring areas. After selecting your preferred unit, it will automatically apply throughout the app whenever you measure areas. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide makes using Google Earth easier for you.